Children, in today's class, we shall start with question number 5 of exercise 7.4. How quickly can you do this? Fill appropriate signs, less than, equal to, or greater than. Okay. Now see here the parts are given. We have to solve them and compare the fractions. Now see here 1 upon 2 and 1 upon 5. Here denominators are different but numerators are same. When numerators are same and denominators are different, smaller the denominator, bigger is the fraction. So from among 2 and 5, 2 is smaller, so this fraction becomes the bigger. So we put the sign of greater here. Okay. Now coming to this, let us reduce both the fractions into simplest form. 3 ones are 3, 3 twos are 6, 2 ones are 2, 2 twos are 4. What do we observe? Both sides, that is 1 by 2. So we say both the fractions are equal. Right? Now coming to the C part. Here denominators are different, numerators are also different. So what we do? We take the LCM of these two denominators. So LCM of 5 and 3 is 15. Okay. So we have to have the denominators of these two fractions as 15. मतलब कहने का ये है कि इन दोनों फ्रैक्शंस को हम लाइक फ्रैक्शंस में कन्वर्ट करेंगे. लाइक फ्रैक्शंस में कन्वर्ट करने का मतलब ये हुआ कि इन दोनों के डिनोमिनेटर सेम होने चाहिए. अब वो डिनोमिनेटर सेम तो होने चाहिए, पर क्या होना चाहिए वो हमें पता चलता है जब हम इन दोनों का एलसीएम लेते हैं. वो आ गया 15. तो 3 upon 5 can be written as multiply numerator and denominator by 3. क्यों? क्योंकि डिनोमिनेटर में हमें 15 चाहिए. तो 5 3s are 15. So this becomes 9 upon 15. Okay. Now see here 2 upon 3. 2 upon 3 can be written as we multiply numerator and denominator by 5. When we multiply it by 5, so 3 5s are 15 and 2 5s are 10. Okay. Now you see in both the fractions the denominator is 15. So when the denominators are same, we compare the numerators. So smaller the numerator, smaller is the fraction. So it means 9 upon 15 is smaller than 10 upon 15. अब 9 upon 15 किस में से बना था? 3 upon 5. तो इसका मतलब क्या हुआ? 3 upon 5 is smaller than 2 upon 3. क्योंकि यहाँ पे देखो here 9 upon 15 is smaller than 10 upon 15. ठीक है ना? क्योंकि ये लाइक फ्रैक्शंस हैं, तो स्मॉलर द न्यूमरेटर, स्मॉलर इज द फ्रैक्शन. तो 9 upon 15 किससे आया था? 3 upon 5 से. तो 3 upon 5 is smaller than 2 upon 3. Okay. Now coming to the next part. Here you see again denominators are different, numerators are also different. So again take the LCM. LCM of 4 and 8 is 8. ठीक है. तो ये तो 2 upon 8 है ही, तो इसमें तो कुछ करने की ज़रूरत ही नहीं है. So we have to convert this 3 upon 4 such that the denominator is 8. क्योंकि हम इन दोनों फ्रैक्शंस को लाइक फ्रैक्शंस में कन्वर्ट कर रहे हैं विद द सेम डिनोमिनेटर. और वो डिनोमिनेटर क्या होना चाहिए? 8. और वो कैसे मिला? बाय टेकिंग द एलसीएम ऑफ दीज टू. ठीक. सो वी कैन राइट नाउ 3 upon 4 as 3 upon 4 into 2 into 2. So 3 2s are 6 and 4 2s are 8. So now we have here 6 upon 8 and 2 upon 8. So what do we see? What do we find? We find that 6 upon 8 is greater than 2 upon 8. क्योंकि denominators are same. When we compare the numerators, greater the numerator, greater is the fraction. So 6 upon 8 is bigger than 2 upon 8. Now from where did we get 6 upon 8? 3 upon 4 से. So we put the sign of greater here. So 3 upon 4 is greater than 2 upon 8. Is this clear? Now coming to the E part. Here already these two fractions are like fractions. So we directly compare the numerators. If the denominators are same, bigger the numerator, bigger is the fraction. तो 3 और 6 में 6 बड़ा है, इसलिए ये वाला फ्रैक्शन भी बड़ा होगा. ठीक है. Now coming to this one, 7 upon 9 and 3 upon 9. Again these are like fractions. Denominators are same. So we compare the numerators. 7 is greater than 3. So 7 upon 9 is greater than 3 upon 9. Now coming to G part. Here the denominators are different and the numerators are also different. So we take the LCM of denominators. So LCM of 4 and 8 is 8. Now this is 8 here in the denominator. Now what we have to do? We have to convert this 1 upon 4 in such a way that the denominator is 8. So we write 1 upon 4 as 1 upon 4 into 2 into 2. So 1 2s are 2 and 4 2s are 8. ठीक है. So now you see here 1 upon 4 is equal to 2 upon 8 and this is already 2 upon 8. So both are equal. So we say 1 upon 4 is equal to 2 upon 8. Now coming to the H part. See here. Again the denominators are different and numerators are different. So what do? We take the LCM of 10 and 5. LCM of 10 and 5 is 10. ठीक है. So 6 upon 10 will remain as it is because denominator is 10. You convert this 4 upon 5 in such a way that the denominator becomes 10. So 4 upon 5 we can write this as 4 upon 5 into 2 into 2. So 4 into 2 is 8 and 5 into 2 is 10. So what do you have? 6 upon 10 and 8 upon 10. So when we compare 6 upon 10 and 8 upon 10, what do we find? We see that 6 upon 10 is smaller than 8 upon 10 because denominators are same. Smaller the numerator, smaller is the fraction. So it means this 8 upon 10 came from where? 4 upon 5. ठीक है ना. तो 6 upon 10 is smaller than 4 upon 5. Right. Now I part. We have to compare 3 upon 4 and 7 upon 8. Okay. Again here the denominators are different. Numerators are also different. It means these are unlike fractions. So what do? We take the LCM of 4 and 8. LCM of 4 and 8 is 8. Okay. Now, so we don't have to make any changes here because denominator is 8. Here we have to convert 3 upon 4 in such a way that the denominator is 8. So 3 upon 4 is equal to 3 upon 4 multiply numerator and denominator by 2. So you get 6 upon 8. Now you compare 6 upon 8 and 7 upon 8. We see that 6 upon 8 is smaller than 7 upon 8. But from where this 6 upon 8 came? It came from 3 upon 4. It means 3 upon 4 is smaller than 7 upon 8. Alright. Now we come to J part. J part is again an unlike fraction. So we take the LCM of 10 and 5. LCM of 10 and 5 is 10. Need not to convert anything in this because denominator is 10. Here we have to make the denominator 10. So 3 upon 5 is equal to what? 3 upon 5 into 2 into 2. So 3 2s are 6 and 5 2s are 10. Now you see here, this is 6 upon 10. It came from 3 upon 5. And here also we have 6 upon 10. So both sides it becomes 6 upon 10. So means they are equal. Alright. Now coming to the k part. We have 5/7 and 15/21. ठीक है, तो इसको हम रिड्यूस करते हैं लोएस्ट फॉर्म में. 3 5 सा 15, 3 7 सा 21. Now you observe here 5/7, here 5/7. So we say that these are equal. All right. So this completes the question. I wind up here only. In the next class I shall start with the next question.